Well, hi again, everyone. This is Bob from Boss Rocks DIY Solar, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about whether or not it's really necessary to have BMSs on your battery banks. And in some cases, yeah, you should. In some cases, it's not necessary, and I'll explain here. If you've got just a few banks and you're using most of your capacity overnight, then you'll definitely want to keep BMSs on your system. But if you're like me, right now I've got 60 kilowatts of battery power, and in the next couple of weeks that's going to jump up to 75 kilowatts. And with that much power, I'm using about a quarter of my bank capacity overnight. So the only time that my battery bank would ever even get close to being severely low would be a long string of days, 3, 4, 5 days of really crappy weather in a row. Where I'm not getting anything coming in hardly. And even then, I'd have ample warning before that even gets to that state to get my generator out and push the power back into the system. So I don't really have the need for low voltage protection. And I'm here in my shed, which is temperature controlled, so even in the wintertime it stays above freezing. So I don't need low temperature protection. And then, of course, my chargers are set for 27.4 volts charging, which is well below the 29.2 that's possible that you can do with a 24 volt bank. So I don't have over voltage. I don't need over voltage protection. So there's not really a big need for me to have a BMS. The only thing that's important to me, though, is to be able to look at the cell balance every now and then when I want to see how the cells are holding up. And what I've come up with is one of these little meters here, and this is the only thing I could find that was like this. Let me see if I can get this in focus here. There we go. And this will tell me at a glance exactly what the cell balance state is of all my banks. Instead of having to fumble through my phone and pull up every bank individually to look at the cell balance, now I'll have it right at a glance without even have to mess with all that stuff. So I really like this plan better than using the BMSs. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be ripping out all my BMSs and replace it with those meters there. And I just thought that you guys might find that interesting. And it could save you a good bit of money on your battery builds if you're planning many in the future. So anyways, there's my thoughts. Hope that's helpful and useful information for you, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.